In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a stop limit order on Robinhood using the website. If you've ever wondered how to better manage your investments or protect yourself from big losses, learning how to use stop limit orders is a great step. It's a straightforward process, but there are some important details to pay attention to. So, let's get started. First, to begin this process, you'll need to log into your Robinhood account on the Robinhood website using a compatible browser. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and take your time to ensure you're in a secure connection for your financial safety. Once you're logged in, head over to your portfolio page. This is where all your current holdings are displayed. Browse through your portfolio and select the specific stock that you want to set your stop limit order for. If you're looking to protect gains or limit potential losses on a particular stock, choose that stock and click on it to open up its details page. Now, on the stocks page, you'll see some options to either trade or view insights. Go ahead and click on the trade button. Depending on your intention, you'll either select sell if you want to set a stop limit order to sell that stock, or buy if you're looking to set a stop limit order to buy at a certain price. For most investors trying to limit losses, the sell option is most common. Next, you'll see a prompt to choose your order type. Here, select limit order. This is a critical step because setting a limit order means your order will only execute at a price you specify or better, which offers you more control over the trade. At this point, you'll need to set your limit price. This is the exact price, or better, that you're willing to buy or sell the stock for once your stop price is triggered. It's important to choose a price range you're comfortable with, taking into account how quickly prices can change. Remember, the limit price should reflect the value you're hoping to get if the stop is triggered. Then, enter the number of shares you'd like this stop limit order to apply to. Make sure you double check this figure, especially if you don't want to sell all of your shares at once. After you've filled in these details, take a moment to review everything. Carefully look over the order type, the stock, the limit price, and the number of shares. When you're satisfied, click on Review to proceed. If everything looks good, the final step is to click Submit. This action will place the stop limit order on your chosen stock. Once set, this type of order can help protect your investments by automatically selling your shares if the stock drops to your stop price, aiming to prevent further losses. That's all there is to it. Setting up a stop limit order on Robinhood can be a useful tool to help manage your risk and add some peace of mind to your investment strategy. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to control when and how your stock is traded, ensuring you don't get caught off guard by sudden market downturns. Thanks for watching and happy investing.